What's up guys, I'm Han. I'm going to show you guys how to parkour roll. So before you guys try this, if you have access to a gym, you can practice it there, it'll be easier, but you can also practice outside since it won't really hurt that much. So I'm going to show you guys one and we'll get started. Okay, so the first step is you gotta find out which way you go. I can do it both ways, so I'm just gonna teach it the right side. I'm gonna go on the right. So the first step is you gotta have your right foot in front, left foot in front if you want, or you just have it together. But have your right foot in front, left foot back. You're just gonna practice going down like this. Practice this position. You're just in this position right now, guys. See, like just like this, guys. If you can't see. The next step is your right hand is gonna be planting down right here on the ground. Touching the ground like this with that hand. It's just gonna be touching over here. After that, after you get this down, position right here, then it's the roll, guys. You're gonna roll, but when you roll, you want to roll on your shoulder, guys. You want to drop your shoulder down, and you want to look over here to your left. If you're rolling on your right shoulder, you're gonna look to your left. Turn your body like this, a little bit to the side, and you're just gonna go on your shoulder. And your leg should be still bent. I'm trying to see if I can do it slowly like this. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it's not too hard of a move, guys. As long as you're dropping your shoulder and hand down, and you're kind of dropping your elbow too, like this, like that, and you're just turning, and you're landing on your shoulder, it shouldn't hurt, guys, especially if you're doing it on grass. Because if you're doing it wrong, you might land on your back. So you get down like this, have your hand down, both hands down. You're gonna turn, drop your shoulder, turn your elbow down like this, turn your head down, and just roll on your shoulder like this. So basically, a roll is really good for if you're jumping off of something really high or you're flipping off something really high. Right when you land at the ball of your feet, just drop down, turn, and you shouldn't be able to feel the impact, guys. It should help you lessen the damage to your joints. So on the other side, it's the same thing. You just drop down, drop your shoulder, drop your arm like this, turn a little bit, look that way. Make sure you roll just like that. So there's nothing I can really show you on that move besides that. So hopefully that helped you guys out. I'll show you guys one more time. I'll see you guys next time.